All right, y'all. It's your boy Pressure, man. I'm here. I'm just gonna speak from the heart right quick, man. You know what I'm saying? No script or nothing. I don't need none of that. I just wanted to say, like, in life, bro, like, I'm at that point right now. I wish I would have knew earlier. You know what I'm saying? You wanna, you wanna, like, go for what you want in life, not for what anybody want for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had like earlier on in life, I had a small town mindset. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't know I could be. I didn't really have like anybody I can tell me I can do whatever I want. I can be whatever I want. But then again, maybe I did, and I just didn't take it serious at the time, like due to my surrounding circumstances. But I'm here to tell you right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You only die once, bro. You know what I'm saying? You only die once. Get get what you want out of life. You know what I'm saying? It just so don't wait for nobody to give it to you. And it just so happens that like sometimes you gotta work for it, bro. But you gonna get it. You just gotta keep going. Stay on the course. You know what I'm saying? Like, and there's really no sacred course to follow. If you feel that special thing inside of you, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you just feel like you different. Hold on to that. You know what I'm saying? Like hold on to it and never let it go. You feel me? And watch who you expose to it, cause some people try to stomp out your light. And for those people who don't feel like they anything special or don't got a certain purpose, you're one of the ones. You know what I'm saying? You're one of the ones. You do it. You can do it without effort. You know what I'm saying? It can happen for you. You know what I'm saying? And it can only push you more. It can only push you more if you try to work towards it. You know what I'm saying? Cause you will be the special one and you won't even know it. Also, I want to say back to it again. Like you only die once. You know what I'm saying? You only die once. I know it's typically people say you only live once, but you only die once. You know what I'm saying? Um, just don't take it for granted, bro. You know what I'm saying? Live a happy life. You know what I'm saying? You want to go take a trip, save up, take that trip, no matter how long it take. Oh, that's what I want to do. If that's what you want to do, go do it. Experience it in your life. You know what I'm saying? Feel that feeling. You know what I'm saying? That wow, I did this and I can do this and I can do anything and you know what I'm saying? Everything is right there for the taking, bro. And don't wait for nobody to give it to you. Go take it. It's right there for you. You know what I'm saying? This for all the young dreamers like myself, man. I wanna be a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I wanna be a gaming YouTuber. I wanna help people. You know what I'm saying? I wanna spread love every day, and get up and just share with y'all. You know what I'm saying? And make people. You know what I'm saying? Just make people happy. Like let them know like you're not alone. You know what I'm saying? You're not alone. I'm here. You know what I'm saying? I'm here. Hit me on the comment section. Hit me on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? D Pressure 4. All that, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, that brings me back to this. Like, y'all not alone. If some of y'all out there feeling alone, you down, sad, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I'm here, man. We here. You know what I'm saying? The whole community here. You know what I'm saying? We right there. I'm going to continue to drop these bangers for y'all. And, you know what I'm saying? This don't got nothing to do with gaming, though. I just need to get something off my chest, you know? I'm on my way out the house right now. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta live life. I'm on my way out the house to live some life right now, man. Go take a trip. Like I said, I got a small town mindset. I ain't been nowhere. I live super like I grew up super close to San Francisco and never really went, you know, unless it was to the courthouse. But you know what I'm saying? Today I'm about to go explore and live, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Send y'all some blessings and you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all good, man, and let y'all know I'ma keep going. You keep going too. And don't let nobody tell you what you can do and what you can be and bro, take it from me. It may not be I'm not even gonna say it's hard, but it may not be easy. You know what I'm saying? But once you get through with the journey, you'll thank yourself later. You know what I'm saying? Just don't take it for granted. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the journey. You know what I'm saying? And it actually does a lot for you. It exposes like who gonna be there for you. You know what I'm saying? Who really supports you and all that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna say it like this. If you if you keep putting your good foot forward and trusting you and trusting yourself and trusting that feeling you got and you without that feeling, you know the ones that you without that feeling, you got it. You know what I'm saying? You got it. You probably have to work a little less than the rest of us without even knowing it, bro. You know what I'm saying? You special, like without even feeling. If that makes sense. I mean, maybe I'm rambling now, man. I just want to show love, man. I just wanted to show love. I ain't been like, I feel like I ain't been putting a lot of this in my gaming videos, so it just built up. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I gotta let it out. So I appreciate y'all at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Pressure Pack. And those who clicked on this video, you're a real one. You're a real one. Y'all some real ones, however y'all want to put it. And keep God close. And get what you want out of life. And ain't nobody gonna give it to you. In some cases, somebody might, depending on your circumstances. But yeah, guess I'll let y'all go. Peace.